Same old road, new sky. I keep my hands in my pockets. Long steps, easy breath. Let the miles do the talking. And I feel it now, a little weight falling off me. One more bend, one more hill, then the world opens softly. Oh, I'm alright, I'm still moving on. Oh, I'm alright, with the morning in my lungs. Oh, I'm alright, let the road go on and on. Oh, I'm alright, and I hum my way back home. Fence posts blur by slow, dust on my shoes, sun on my shoulders. Every turn I knew feels brand new when I hold it. And I feel it now, like I've lived this 100 times. Same white path, same blue air, different heart, different light. Oh, I'm alright, I'm still moving on. Oh, I'm alright, with the morning in my lungs. Oh, I'm alright, let the road go on and on. Oh, I'm alright, and I hum my way back home. No hurry, no storm, just a quiet little flame in my chest, still warm. Oh, I'm alright, I'm still moving on. Oh, I'm alright, with the more